Hello everybody and welcome back to another weekend vlog. I'm just getting ready kasi we're gonna go out in a bit to do some groceries. Bibili lang tayo ng ingredients for cheesecake kasi mamaya magbe-bake tayo ng cheesecake, and then obviously again I will take you with me through this entire weekend and show you guys kung ano yung mga new places to eat na bibisitahin natin and mga cafes. So yan ang agenda natin for this week. Oh, diba? Ganda talaga ng section sa Amazon eh. Mas masarap to kaysa dun sa original. You want? Hati tayo? Hindi ko maubos. Hindi nakakaumay. Good morning everybody. So last night natapos na kami mag-bake ng mga 1 AM and hindi ko pa natapos yung cake. Bali, yung natapos ko lang is yung pinaka-chiffon cake. And I needed that cake to cool in its entirety because kapag ka nilagay ko na yung icing, magme-melt lang siya off the cake. So I thought matutulog na ako. And then just let the cake cool overnight. So ang gagawin ko na lang ngayon is yung icing natin. And today, diba sabi ko sa inyo, may pupuntahan tayong parang bagong healthy na plant-based restaurant. And unfortunately, hindi tayo matutuloy because we're going to my aunt's place later this afternoon to play mahjong and for some merienda. Kain muna tayo kasi 11 o'clock na din. Let's go. Once more.
He knows I'm gonna give him more. The only way, if he's still eating and you want to give him more food but he doesn't get your attention, he only gets attention if you do this. See?
Ang bilis.
Pero ito, natuto ako nitong ice. Kasi yung nanay ko, may
Every night I try to love, but your heart is made of stone. All my tears, they fall like rain, yet you leave me here alone. I give you all I have inside. You pretend it's all pretend. Your empty eyes, they break me down. Will this torment never end? Endless pain, it's all I know. Hurt me more or let me go. In this game, my heart will lose. Change your ways or set me loose. Cold nights and colder days, living in your shadow's maze. I guess I never find the light, living in this endless night. Promises I never keep, whisper lies when I'm asleep.
Done with lunch, well, brunch. Off to our next destination.
Hurt me more or let me go. In this game, my heart